Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over Bitcoin. Today we are down around 8.6% on the 1 hour chart. We are touching oversold levels on the 1 hour RSI. We made a quick reversal as we were about to approach positive MACD, but we continued to go down lower. And on the 4 hour chart, we are not hitting oversold levels on the RSI, and it looks like we are diverging from the MACD. It was once converging, but now trend may still be sideways at the moment because we do see this as acting support, the 200 moving average on the 4 hour chart. So I do see there's a possibility this as support, but another concern is since we're not oversold on the RSI, there may be more strength to sell down lower and break this support. As for the daily chart, we broke another support. We even closed below and opened below the 18-day moving average yesterday, which is a bit concerning. And right now we are lower than we were yesterday. So the next support will be this 50-day moving average right here. I'll mark that as support, and that coincides with a 3-day support in this area as well, and that price is roughly around $9,200. And as for resistance, since we were closing below the 18-day and 9-day moving average, and I do see the 9-day converging onto the 18-day, I do see this as acting resistance now. So that is at the price of $11,300. So if we were to continue on higher, that price movement is roughly around 14%. But if we continued to move down lower, that is 6.6% lower. Onto the forecast module, I'll go day by day where Bitcoin will head to in the next coming days. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So which of these will we most likely see? So on the trend here, I'll compare today's current trend right here with this trend down here that dated back to October 25th, 2015 to December 24th, 2015. So I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here in the beginning of the trend, we're touching the upper Bollinger Band right here, and we made a slight dip below the middle Bollinger Band right here, and we proceeded to go on up higher to touch the upper Bollinger Band once more, and then we reverted back to the mean right here, and then we broke through to touch the bottom Bollinger Band right down here. So we start to see similar trends down here as well. We see it touch the upper Bollinger Band right in the beginning of the trend, and then after that we see a slight dip below the middle Bollinger Band, and then we found more strength to touch the upside, the upper Bollinger Band, reverted to the mean right here, and after that we do see that we continue down lower to touch the bottom Bollinger Band right here. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, and we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The outcome and forecasts would also be the same. So out of these forecasts, the best one or the best match is the October 25th, December 24th, 2015. And back then, Bitcoin was down roughly around 6.7%, or 6.7% or 6.6% in 7 days. And here's the line chart that I compared it to. So that is all. If you enjoyed this content, Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.